Hello everyone, this is Ashish here from the Traveler's Trail. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I'm in Namchi. I'm heading towards Tare Bir, which is one of the scenic places here in Sikkim. We have reached to this viewpoint from where you can see the Namchi. Hope you guys like this cinematic shot. Check it out. Okay, so we are done with our tea break. Tare Bir, which is not that far from here. I think mostly it should be around another 10-12 kilometers from here. So if you go towards this side, you'll go towards Gangtok, Namthang and all, which we have to go in some time. Taken a right and now we are entering Saddam. Hopefully we'll get a very good drone shots of Tare Bir. This is a Saddam village. Couple of houses here and there. एंड जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है यहाँ कहीं ऊपर पे कैंपिंग भी होती है, वहाँ से पैराग्लाइडिंग भी होती है. सो विद दिस वी हैव रीच्ड एंड दैट्स द एंट्रेंस. थैंक यू. 80 rupees for 2 people. We have just kept our helmets over there. I have my wife with me. Say hello.
Hello.
And yeah, this is not the first time we are coming here. Of course, we have come a couple of times over here already. But last vlog was flop, so I didn't publish it. Hope you guys enjoyed the drone shots from here. You can come here by cabs are there, and if you have your own vehicles then definitely. And if you are coming from Siliguri to Namchi, you can take this route and explore this place and then head towards Namchi. And if you see that side, it is a pine forest, and on the other side there's a grassland, right? There's a ground down there, sort of resort, small resort, where there's a kitchen, and these two are where guests can stay over here if you want to. Paragliding happens from top there somewhere, and you can land it over here. नाम्ची बड़ा आको पूरा साइकिल में बोबाले रहेछ त आउ न त क्यामेरामा यहाँनेरि.
Hello.
What's your name?
Siddharth.
My name is Ayush.
Ayush, Ayush, Siddharth. They have cycled all the way from Namchi, 16 kilometers downhill. Now it's gonna be pretty tough when you go up. These are the contact numbers which you can pause the video and contact them if you want to stay over here. You get tongba, that's millet fermented drink. Actually it is very traditional to Nepali culture. Nepali in the sense not only people from Nepal, but also Nepali speaking community from Sikkim, Darjeeling, Kalimpong, everywhere. You guys can come over here, so can accommodate 20 plus tourists is what they say. So that's about it from this side. You have to be careful, don't step on that side because you never know. The wind is so pretty aggressive sometimes that you might slip down, and if you fall from here, there's no chance. They have posted this prayer flags everywhere. There's also a temple. There's one place from here where I can climb up, and also there's another way where I can go down there. Yeah, let's explore here. Right now I'm in that spot where that landslide happens. You might have seen in the drone shot, right? So let's check it out. Oh, we are still yet to reach Oh my god, look at this. I don't want to risk myself going any further. It's windy. If you fall, gone. This is one of the sensitive area. You can see that's Tista River. From there it flows. So that portion, by the way, that is Kalimpong. And Dhelo can be also seen from here, which is up there, from where paragliding happens. So right now you can also see Malli down there again. That's where I came from. I would go till that point and let's see, you know, hopefully the battery साथ देगा. चलो चलते हैं. So अभी है हम पाइन फॉरेस्ट के बीचों बीच एंड हम लोग रिज के उस साइड में जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हम लोग मतलब मैं, my wife is taking rest up there as she is a localite, so she keeps visiting here, so it's not a big deal for her, but for me it is. Or people like us from the plains, it is. I'm based in Bangalore, so this is like a very scenic spot for me. I've come here a couple of times and vlogged also last time, but I never published it because I was not happy with the quality of it, and even few of the clips got corrupted, so altogether I scrapped that whole plan. They have made a pathway. Let's see the other side. Just few minutes ago I was standing on the top. It is risky, right? Look at that. OMG. Now I'm heading towards that last end of the ridge. Actually, if you can see from the drone shot, it's not the last end. It continues, but I think there's no way to go further from there. And there are no steps. That's what I mean. And if you want to go, you have to go through that jungle road, which I don't want to take right now. I'm running in order to save some time, because quickly I have to cover this place and go somewhere else as well. Let's see. Oh my god, look at this ridge. Damn. Let's go. Here again we have to go through this jungle thing. See? But why not? We are almost at the end of this cliff. Let's see, we are on this edge now. Let's do a reveal. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Oh man. I'll still try to go a little further and let's see if there's any place. By the way, this is in the elevation of 10,000 feet from the sea level, and this is part of Sikkim, by the way. And we are in a town called Saddam. Check this cliff, man. Can you see that? And this place is not that crowded, you know, because maybe people, they don't know much about this place. There are no stairs over here. It's all this small path. I'm being careful, avoiding to watch the camera. I think this is the closest I can get, isn't it? There's a small path to go that side, but look at this huge landslide. And trust me, this can be seen all the way from Tista River, from that side when you are traveling towards Sikkim. Looks like this was the whole ridge was a portion of this one, but half of it, the top portion, has gone. I don't want to go any further. So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you liked my effort, and if you like this vlog and found it entertaining or informative or in any way useful, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. That's all about it. I'm getting tan for sure, but it doesn't matter. I'll be back with another vlog. Until then, take care. See you. Bye bye from Tadevir, all the way Sikkim. Peace out.